Good morning. I'm Robert Amos, Democratic nominee for Insurance Commissioner. I want to thank the organizers of this event for providing me the opportunity to speak to you all today. I guess most of the candidates here are pretty good people, but as you will see, we have philosophical differences. 2 spots ago, we heard the commissioner talk about expanding Medicaid is not the best thing to do in the state of Mississippi. But see, economic development in business is on the ballot. My career comes from being an administrator, small business owner, a college professor, and also formerly a finance officer. When I tell you business is on the ballot, when we talk about providing access to health care all across the state of Mississippi, more specifically in the rural hospitals, when you don't have a contingency plan, and that's what I didn't hear. What's the contingency plan? When you don't decide to expand health care or accept money, what's the alternative? I haven't heard it. Neither have you. Business is on the ballot. When we allow these rural hospitals to close, it serves as a ripple effect across the entire state. It cripples the economy. Many of you all do business all throughout the state. So it not only affects that local economy and community, but a vendor that travels from here in Rankin County and Madison, it's going to affect their business as well. Not to say the least, look at the number of lives we've lost. So as you hear candidates philosophically differ about expanding health care, well, what's the alternative? Is it a short-term insurance plan? Now, if you take a short-term insurance plan, you get what you pay for. If you have a pre-existing condition, you won't qualify for it. So I'm still waiting on the alternatives to accepting $1 billion per year. I got involved with business to make a difference. And I made a difference to hundreds of people trying to get careers in the medical career. But they're at risk of not getting economic opportunities because of a narrow scope. They would have to come to Jackson to get a job. Many of them can't stay in their hometowns to work. If you have insurance, everybody's supposed to have insurance. Most Mississippians from all parts of the state aren't happy with the amount how high their insurance premiums are. I'll leave you with this story because business is on the ballot. Let's say Sarah wants to buy an insurance policy. Sarah is single. Sarah has a high school diploma. Sarah has a poor credit score. Now, the research says if you have a poor credit score, you're more likely to file a claim. So Sarah's policy is $435 per month. Her car premium is $300, right? So Sarah pays 3 or 4 payments, and she lets her policy lapse. But see, that's been an excuse across the state of Mississippi. We have so many uninsured drivers, and that drives up the cost of our insurance premium. See, we're doing things that don't make sense. These people need car insurance. It's state law. But they're trapped in something that they have a poor credit score and a good driving record, but they're trapped in a process. They're not going to make 12 monthly payments. We have to do better. So as I stand here today, don't assume that I'm anti-insurance, because I'm not. I know insurance companies have to have the financial strength and stability to do business in the state of Mississippi. I know that. I'm aware of that. But I also know that what we're doing, our leadership, because of philosophical differences, Republicans and Democrats, we rather lose jobs and lives because of our beliefs. What's the contingency plan, Mississippi? What should we do? As you heard my opponent, he's against it. As you hear me today say, I'm for it. And I'm sure we can sit down at the table and negotiate a fee structure so it won't be laid on the taxpayer's back. I'm sure that can happen. So don't hear that say you're going to pay all these thousands and millions of dollars. Mississippi, we can do better. And I ask everybody in this audience, vote Robert E. Amos for your next insurance commissioner. I will fight for you. I will negotiate a better Mississippi, not only for the consumer, but also for the insurance industry. Thank you for having me, and God bless you.